Video, baby. Hi, my name's Emily. Welcome to my channel. I make home education and vanny lifestyle stories with Rosie, my daughter. She's going to be 8 in about a month. We're debating car camping where we are. This is where I went last time when the horse mugged me in my van. So Rosie wanted to see where it was. The horses are not around today because it's all misty, so she's not getting the best of this, and we haven't come in the best weather, but Rosie was insistent she wanted to come. So we're just having a brief picnic of crisp sandwiches in the van before we're going to take a walk and see if we can find any of the said horses, cows. We have some old bread to feed them.
But if we can't find them, we will head back.
I don't know if we'll stay here because it's not the nicest weather to be out camping. We'll stay for a few hours. We'll go see if we can find them. We'll play some games in the van so Rosie gets the idea of what it's like. We'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted, but at the moment we're just
by the time it dies down.
We've spotted some things. Cows, sheep, something.
What hybrid of some sort? When's a weird hybrid of some sort?
We can't tell through the mist. But it's suddenly hammering it down. So,
donkeys? No.
No.
That's a sheep.
It might be a sheep.
Yeah,
we're gonna once this, because it keeps stopping and starting with the rain.
2 sheep and 1 goat.
It keeps stopping and starting with the rain, so we're going to stick our waterproofs on, but Rosie's taking ages, because if she'd been ready the last time I'd said, we'd already know what these animals are. But she wasn't ready, and now she's still taking ages to stick her...
Girls hit your hallelujahs.
She's still taking ages to put her waterproofs on,
Girls
and then her hiking boots. She's got no socks on right now.
Girls hit your hallelujahs. Girls hit your hallelujahs.
I'm so glad I did my first van camp trips on my own, because I think I'd have been put off completely if I'd brought her and just had whinging and moaning and nagging the entire time. I'm not sure I'm keen to do this again with her, and we've only been here like 10 minutes, so.
Girls hit your hallelujahs. Girls hit your hallelujahs. Say it.
She's hearing the words wrong, and
girls hit your hallelujahs.
I want to go see what these animals are, because we can't quite tell. I think they're cows, but they look a bit small for cows. Maybe they are sheep. We'll let you know when we get back.
There are probably 2 sheep and a goat.
It is pretty lush hearing this rain. I'm just not sure if we can put the top up because of the wind.
We could
I'm
try.
not sure if we'll end up with a ripped tent. But yeah.
Girls hit your hallelujahs. Oh,
the drive out here was lush, and as much as I was a bit anxious about the rain, I needed to do this. I think. I just wish the weather was nicer.
That's why I was putting. It's perfect.
Rosie's happy because she's.
Girls sexy hallelujah.
That's not what they're singing.
Girls hit your hallelujahs.
Put it up. Here we go.
Perfect hidey hole, you think?
So what our van does is we've got this bit down here, and then we've put the roof up now to see if... I don't know, it won't zoom out anymore. We've put it up just to see if it's too windy to have it up, so if it's going to rip or pull the van over or anything like that. But no, we can't feel anything without feeling. But Rosie needs to not step on the table as she goes up and down. It's not designed to take her weight like that.
I need you to move, because I'm used to jumping down there.
No, you need to jump down.
You want me to...
Onto a seat, like that.
Okay, but I'm not sure if the van can take me.
Well, you're not gonna jump, Rosie Bear. You're gonna try and lower yourself slightly. Okay.
No.
it's Monday and me and Rosie have not long got back from choir, even though it's like 2 in the afternoon, because we decided to go for lunch with the lunch club. So some of the choir people, we thought we'd like to get to know them a bit better, so we went and had lunch with them in a cafe. It was nice getting to know some of them, chatting some stories, talking music. Rosie has been getting her writing done in the form of writing to a fairy that now lives in her room, that she invited to live in the little fairy door that's in her room. So Rosie's most writing practice has been writing backwards and forwards between this fairy. We need to do a little bit more maths at the moment, don't we? Lots of music at the moment. We've got things growing in the garden, sort of sciencey stuff, and we need to harvest our potatoes. So once we've had a little bit of a rest, because we've been out all morning, we've just got back, then we're probably going to go and see what our potatoes are. I'll just quickly research whether we can do it yet, but they've flowered and the flowers are gone, so I think we can now harvest our potatoes. So we're going to go do that in about an hour. We'll have a little bit of a rest first. But yeah, our week's going okay so far. Potatoes have grown, flowered, and the flowers are gone, so I don't know if we're doing it too early, but we're gonna. So.
Oh, I'm gonna hit this and break it up. Mum, there's a snail shell under there.
We're gonna just show Rosie how we. Oh, there's one. We need a. That went through. So we're just gonna go through and we're gonna find our potatoes. So.
Two takes.
Rosie doesn't like getting dirty, so it'll probably be me digging around for most of them.
Ooh. There's a potato.
There's another one. Make a part of them for now.
No, I'll put them on the
See one there. The other year we harvest them too soon, but they've actually flowered this year and stopped, and that's normally when you kind of don't do my hand. Well, show you how much we get at the end, because I'm going to get my hands dirty. Today is Tuesday, and we decided to come out for the day, so we decided to go Chepstow Castle and then Tintern Abbey, because they're both in the same direction. And we're at Tintern Abbey at the moment, so I'll include the pictures of Chepstow. But this place is beautiful, so they're trying to maintain. Babby, I see an information board down here. They've given her a quiz to complete, so she's got to find all the info and then she gets a prize, so she's quite excited. It's probably a sticker again, but I won't burst her bubble. So yeah, she's not behaving, but not in a not behaving way, in a not listening way that's infuriating for me. And now she's disappeared, so I gotta go find her. Just been the ponty light. We're currently in the museum. Rosie's doing a scavenger hunt.
Oh, I don't.
But this video is getting long, so we're probably going to wrap it up here for today. But it's a lovely little turn around.
Oh.
Lovely little museum, very small. Beautiful organ. And then there's like over here. There's Ponty Breathe, as it used to be. So Rosie's going to do all this history stuff, and then we're going to go and find some pudding in the market. So we will leave it there and say, and hope you enjoyed the video. Now it's ta-ta from me and ta-ta from the Rosie Bear.